few years back, he killed the Iranian Iraq soldier and wanted to pay back from officials that looked the other way. Some Iraqis considered him a hero, others figured otherwise. A few years later, he killed another Iranian. This time, he sent to prison for murder in a house seminary.
For murder? So what is he doing out then?
The Iraq government let him go. Apparently, killing an Iranian is considered much a crime these days in the eyes of Iraq people.
Well, it seems like there's nothing much we can do.
I can arrest him and get him off the streets.
No, you can't go up to someone and arrest him for something he didn't do again.
Watch me.
Look, you're not going to take the law under your own hands.
The law? Commander, laws change depending on who make them. Iraq one day, Iranian the next. Commander, justice is justice as long as I'm in charge of
If you
security.
can't work within the rules, then I'll find someone who can. Do I make myself perfectly clear? Dismissed.